What is up, gamers? It's way back here, and welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna play Teardown. Teardown, I guess, last year release हुई थी, and this is one of those games जो कि लोगों को satisfy करती है. Like you have to break everything. Like I guess in the starting you'll actually get a sledgehammer, और फिर धीरे-धीरे upgrades होते रहते हैं. So I guess उसके लिए हमें campaign mode play करना होगा, right? So let's begin. Let's begin. Loading. Okay. Part 1. Look at the graphics. It feels like you're actually playing Minecraft with shaders, right? Okay. I guess starting में हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है. Okay, we have a world border. मतलब बहुत limited है यार. Okay. So I guess ये हो सकता है कि like हमारा workstation or something हो like tear down like look here. Okay. Drag to open the door. Okay. Man, I'm loving this graphics. और ये जो controls है ना jump के it's different. Okay. Okay. We are in. That's nice. Okay. I guess सामने से रास्ता था है ना? पर मैं यहाँ से आ रहा हूँ. हमें boxes हटाने थे. I'll do that. Okay. Pick up. Okay. What do I have? Extinguisher. Yeah. Okay. Spray can. There it is. There's the main weapon of this. Okay. Can I actually break? Oh. This is so cool. Okay. What's this? I don't care. Okay. Is this my car? Okay. Let's go. Boom.
Get out of the way! I can't see! There are cars there, motherfucker!
This is so satisfying, dude. I guess this is Steve. I don't know. Okay, so what's the mission? It says मतलब I guess यहाँ पे मतलब जो arrows बने होते हैं वही आपके आगे के progress करने के लिए. What? Get out of the way. अरे खुल जा यार. Okay. E to replace tools. Go inside and check the messages. Okay. Oh, we have a television. Oh. Okay. Operate. Tracy gas bill. Okay. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, mom. Okay. Okay. Old building problem. This just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it? Okay. Good evening. My name is Gordon Wu. General manager at the Evertide Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our plans for a new wing, and I need someone to knock it over. Okay, so we start with this house. Okay, mission the old building problem. Okay, Evertide Mall. Let's go. Play mission. Obviously. Okay, okay. Ah, we are in. Okay, so this is our vehicle. What's written over here? Boom. I don't know. Okay. Just break everything. It's 5.2 meter tall. Propane tanks explode when they are thrown. Okay. These are propane tanks? Yep. What's this? New stove. I guess I should break the foundation. मतलब नीचे की सब कुछ गिरा दो, फिर उसके बाद जो कुछ करना है देखा जाएगा. Okay. So I have an idea. Like, एक सेकेंड मैं भी बताता हूँ कि क्या idea है. Can you believe this कि मतलब गेम के फिजिक्स क्या ही बोलना. Like I okay, so as I know कि ये बहुत strong है, तो strong के लिए मेरे पास एक बहुत खुराफाती दिमाग मतलब चल रहा है. Like this is a stove, right? And अगर मैं stove और इन दोनों को मिलाऊंगा, the explosion will be big, right? Okay, so okay, easy. स्टोव को यहाँ रखते हैं, यहाँ ऊपर रख देता हूँ. ओके, सो लेट्स पिक दिस अप. अब मुझे आई गेस उसके ऊपर फेंकना होगा. आई डोंट नो इसमें एम कैसे करेंगे. आउ शिट. स्टोव अभी भी अच्छा आराम से. आई डोंट नो अगर मैंने इसको टकरा दिया तो. Is it? Okay. Ow. कुछ तो होगा यार यहाँ पे काम का, एक्सप्लोजन्स के अलावा. Can I actually drive the... I can! That's nice! Okay, what if अगर मैंने explosions इस vehicle पे फेंके? Okay, fire catch कर गया. Okay, I guess I have मतलब कितने vehicles हैं मेरे पास? Okay, I have 2 more. This one is good, right? Okay. Now just is it stuck? Ha! It's not. Ow! I guess I need explosions now. Let's use these bad boys. Oh hell yeah. Okay. Okay. It says 2.7 meter too tall. So I guess मुझे और चाहिए. Okay, यहाँ पे और explosions भी है. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, let's go. Hey boy. I guess it's time. I guess it's time for the last ball. What's this? Okay. What's your problem, man? Is it done? 0.7 meters tall. Is it over? 0.5. Okay, the mission is accomplished, right? Accomplished. Okay. Hell yeah! This was fun. This is so cool, dude. Okay, get to the escape vehicle. Okay. Woo, that's nice. We finished it. Our first mission. Okay. It took 8 minutes. 1 second. Okay, 8 minutes approx. That was really fun. Okay. Shut up! Okay. Okay, so let's end this episode right here. मतलब episode तो नहीं, but ये हमारा first mission था. So it actually it actually satisfies you that मतलब ऐसे ही है, normal campaign mode में जाओ, बस boom boom बस करते जाओ. It's actually fun to play this, and I guess I'll make more videos about Teardown, क्योंकि ये बहुत satisfy है, मतलब बहुत satisfy करता है हम सबको. So मतलब मुझे personally. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.